Your brain is wired to focus on what's wrong. That's not your fault. It's just how we are built. But today, for a few gentle minutes, let's shift that focus and let's soak in what's good. Hey there. Whether you've had a calm day or a heavy one, this space is yours now. A place to pause, a place to breathe, a place to remember what's still good. Because it's there, even when it's quiet. Go ahead, find a comfortable position. You can close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and a long, easy breath out. Ready? In. And let go. Again, breathe in. And let go. Start to notice your body in this moment. The way your shoulders feel. The weight of your arms. The steadiness of the ground beneath you. You don't have to fix or change anything. Just notice and breathe. Imagine the late summer sun warming your skin. Not too hot, just soft and steady, like a hug from the day itself. Now, let your muscles melt a little more. You're safe here, you're supported, and you're allowed to rest. Now, gently bring to mind a small moment from today, or this week, that felt good. It doesn't have to be big. Maybe it was a smile, a sip of something warm, a quiet 5 minutes alone. Let that moment rise in your memory. What did it feel like? What did it sound like? Let yourself feel it again, not just as a thought, but in your body. Breathe it in and hold it just for a few extra seconds. Let it soak in. If another good memory comes, let that in too. This is your time to refill. This is your time to refill. So often, we rush past these good moments. Today, we're letting them land. Each breath, each good thing. Like watering a part of you that's been waiting for water. Now, gently repeat these words in your mind, or out loud if you're like me. There is good in my life. I choose to notice it. I choose to feel it. Again, there is good in my life. I choose to notice it, and I choose to feel it. Let that truth settle into your heart, like sunlight through the leaves. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need everything figured out. But in this moment, you've taken care of yourself, and that matters. Take one final slow breath in. Take one final slow breath in. And a long, easy breath out. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers. Open your eyes if they were closed. And remember, there's good all around you, waiting to be noticed. Thanks for being here with me. If this meditation helped you pause and breathe, consider subscribing. And remember, be kind and you matter.